What's up, everybody? It's Mel here from Southside. I'm going to give you a little rundown today on a 2012 Dodge Caravan. Before I do that, I'm going to check the oil in my Chevy Equinox, which is very dirty, as you can see. We got some cold temperatures here. It's minus burr. It's freezing, and this morning it was like minus 25, 26 with the wind chill. It's warming up a little bit now in the afternoon. Today being the 3rd of February, 2023. And I'm also going to check the oil in this taxi car, which is also very dirty. So let's pop the hood. This one always comes out of the pocket. I don't know why. Haven't used the plow yet. Still got to bring it to the shop to get a stator installed because it's discharging. Has to be done. The Impala, as it moved, didn't even put winter tires on it because it's not moving. So it stays there. Back to the oil. This one, in the last 2 months, has blown 2 front oil seals down here on the passenger side. Just had it fixed a couple days ago. Seems to be okay now, but I'm getting a very strong smell of oil, and I don't know why. Hey, this one was lift up. So I'm betting this is going to be down. No, it's not. It's full. It's full. Okay, that's amazing. So that's 4 days now since I checked it the last time. And it's full. Okay, so maybe this one will be down on oil. This one doesn't have an issue with the hood release. Remember, guys, look at the engine that's in this. And gals. This one is it's down a little bit. It's down a little bit. I'm gonna have to put some in that. I'll do that off camera. As you can see, we had some snow here. Not much. Apparently we have 6 weeks of winter left. I'm going to give you a rundown. It's also very dirty, as you can see. I'm going to give you a rundown on the new van. Still haven't replaced the 2010. It's still in service, still working good. Not going to take it off until it needs to be taken off. But this is the new runner, and it's been running quite a bit. It's a nice little van. It's the 3600, which is a little bit bigger in the engine. So this Caravan is a 3300. This one is the 36. This is the insides of this one. As you can see. Only thing I don't like about this one, it doesn't have power seats, and where I'm tall, I like the seats down a bit, but oh well. Show you the engine. There is a little thing with this van that I kind of don't like. I don't know if it's going to be a problem. I don't know. I gotta get this latch open. So as you can see, this is a 3600, 3.6 liter. Engine's running. It got a lot of power. No issues there. Everything seems to be working fine. The issue that I noticed, and again, I don't know if it's an issue or not, But the problem I'm sensing with this van, and this is just a review, is I'm noticing it shifts kind of strange, kind of oddly at times. It shifts kind of strange. I don't know if that's the way the transmission is geared. I don't know if it's an issue, but I notice sometimes it revs up a bit, and it's always between a shift if you're giving it a lot of gas. So I'm thinking it's something to do with the overdrive. I don't know if that's a sensor. Guys, that's an unknown to me. I can tell instantly if there's transmission problems in a vehicle, but this one, it's no slippage in the transmission. It's changing its gears fine. It seems like when you use overdrive, there's a little bit of a, I'm going to say, a strange feeling when you're shifting gears, or sorry, not shifting gears, when you're using overdrive. And again, I don't know if that's common with this vehicle or not. So been using it now for a few months. I haven't had no problems with the brakes. It actually has really nice rotors on it, as you can see. I haven't had any problems with the brakes. It drives nice. It's a Caravan. That's what they do. They just work, right? So again, look at the rotors on this thing. It was on it when we bought it. It's stow and go, and it's pretty nice. It's a nice van. Rare heaters. But yeah, I'm having some shifting issues. We're starting to be in a freeze up here now. This is Newfoundland, Canada. Remember, guys, we're that little island off the east coast of Canada. And things are starting to freeze up out around here because we're getting those frigid temperatures, which I don't like at all. I miss the summer. I want to get back at my 65 Chevy. Just giving you a little view. I know I've done this quite a bit on other videos, but filling in some time here. So yeah, I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I really like the 2010 Caravan. We've had it for like 6 years, and it's ran good other than a head gasket in 6 years. There was been no issues really with that. But the body is starting to look a little bad. And when it starts to look bad, well, you know, that's what it is. But it's still running strong. Running really good. I know a lot of you guys say, get to the point, get to the point. Well, I already did get to the point. This is a nice van. Brakes are good. Exhaust is good. Everything runs fine. It's working really well. Only thing I could give a comment on the newer Caravans, which is what this is it doesn't shift as nice as the older style. So the difference between the older style and newer, this is the newer style. You can look at the headlights, you can see you have that little curvature. This one's also LED lights, LED cab lights on the inside. And you look at this one and the headlights are straight across. Also, another indifference is the backlights. If you can see, the backlights are pretty flush and even in this area. And the newer style, you can tell they kind of like bubble out right here, as you can see. Other than that, they're the same thing. Really the same thing. Now guys, if you're saying to yourselves, well, man, your cars are really dirty. It's so cold here, it wouldn't make sense to wash them right now. Got to wait till it warms up a bit. And trust me, this salt you see, this is salt, what they put on the highway, on the roads around here. That's eating these bodies. That's why vehicles here in Newfoundland don't last long in the body. Rocker panels wear, rust out, floor panels rust out, trunks. That's why that happens, unfortunately. So guys, I'm going to end this video, just a little short video. I told you guys I was going to put a video out. I haven't been doing it in a while. I've been busy working, busy with family, all those things. And I'm gonna get back to some regular videos for you guys. And I want all of you to know I still appreciate each and every one of you. To everybody that subscribes, it means a lot. I'm almost there to be monetized, and trying to do better content, better camera gear. As you can see, you know, the videos are getting better with their video. Audio, I'm still working out, but I'll get there. So I'll see you on the next one. And Southside Boy Stalls out. Thanks.